Hi guys, welcome back to our video series. In this video we'll be looking at how to upload product variants. In the previous videos we've looked at how to upload simple products, how to register, verify your email, submit your documents for verification. If you haven't looked at those videos, check the channel. You see these videos there. You can watch them before looking at this one so you can follow the whole process step by step. Okay, so the first thing to do here is to go to the left pane on this menu and go to the products page, and you click on add your first product. So here we just have to create product details. I always encourage vendors to use Google Gemini to generate clean product details that are very catchy. You know, for now we do not have AI incorporated in the upload product feature, but soon we're going to incorporate AI so that this stage will be automatic. All you have to do is just provide your product picture. AI will fine-tune the picture and generate these details for you. But for today, or for now, we're going to do it manually. So the first thing you do is to feed your product picture to Google Gemini and say, for the attached image, generate a suitable name, description, and features for my e-commerce product. And in seconds, it will generate these details, these beautiful details for you. I'll show you how to add them there. You just copy them. Like for product name, you copy product name and you paste it here. Men's classic H-strap slide sandals. I already did that earlier. That's why they've persisted here. And the description, you simply copy the description it has produced for you. If it's not very suitable to you, you can edit it to how you like. You just copy the description and paste it in this description field. We select the main category, your product, the product you're trying to upload. In what main category does it fall into? It falls into fashion. It's a footwear, so it's fashion, and then we select a subcategory for it. Footwear falls into footwear. So for now we can upload images. Remember from the simple product video, image is the last stage. It's at the last stage. So we carry on. It's not a simple product, it's product with variants. So we select that, and then it shows us this quick guide on how to add product with variants. Add variant options, example color, size. Add values for each option, for each of these options. That's the next thing that you do. So what we're going to do is to add option. The first option we want to add is color. The next option that we want to add, the first option we add is color. What are the colors that you have? The colors that we have is black. You separate with comma. It's important. Black, brown, you separate with comma, and green. These are the three colors that we have. And then if there are other variations like size, you go back and click on add option, and it brings in a second form. You put in the option name is size. In what sizes do you have these products? Let's say we have size 43, size 44, and size 45. These are, say, the three sizes that we have. So you know your own and what is available. So when you've entered the values, the variations, then the next thing you do is see step 3 here, click generate variants to create all combinations, and then we click generate variants. It wants us overwrite variants. Generating variants will overwrite all existing variants. Because we've created variants before, it's giving us this warning. So yes, we want it to override what we created before. So it overrides it and recreates variants with these six options we give to it: black, brown, green, 43, 44, 45. So as you can see here, color black, size 43. What is the price? What is this? How many is in stock and the discount? Black size 44, black size 45. That is how it creates. So let's assume we have the slippers in black size 43. What is the price? Let's say we are selling it for 48,000. Remember, no commas in the price. The system will add the commas for you. How many do you have it in stock? Let's say we have it 4 pieces in stock. What is the discount? If you have any discount, let's say we're doing a discount here, 2,000 naira discount, so we are selling it for 46,000. You leave the SKU empty, the system will generate it automatically. So color black size 44, we're selling it for 48,000. We have it 5 pieces in stock. We're not doing any discount. We leave SKU empty. Color black size 45, we're selling it for 50,000. We have it 5 in stock. We're not doing any discount. Color brown size 43, maybe we don't have it, but because we have already generated these things, we don't have color brown size 43. So assuming it was available, let's say the price is 45,000, you enter a price for it, stock 0, we don't have it now, so no discount, so you leave it that way. Color brown size 44, say we don't have color brown. Okay, let's say we have color brown size 44, we sell it for 45,000. We have it 4 in stock. We're not doing any discount. Color brown size 45, we have it in stock. It is 48,000. We have it 6 in stock. We are just doing 1,000 naira discount, so we are selling it for 47,000. So color green size 43, we have it in stock. It is for 49,000, because of course it is green in color. Whatever you are selling yours, yeah, just being a vendor here. We have it 5 in stock, no discount. We don't have color green size 44, but assuming it was available, the price will be 49,000, but we don't have it in stock, so we make it 0. We make it 0. Color green size 45, if it was available, it would have been 53,000. We don't have it in stock, so we make it 0. We already added these product features. How to add product features? You just click add feature, and then you go to your Gemini, you copy the feature it has generated for you, add it one after the other. You copy, you paste. If you paste it, yeah, paste, then you add another feature. That is how you keep copying it one after the other and keep pasting it, so that when your customer is looking at your product features, they can see all these things. You know, we've added this before in the first, so I'm just going to remove this. So after adding the prices and the features, it's important to cross-check what you've done, so you be sure you haven't made any mistakes and you've entered all the fields: product name, description, category, subcategory. Image is the last thing. We're adding product with variants. We've added our variants. Color, we have black, brown, green. Remember to separate with commas. Size 43, 45, 43, 44, 45. Remember to separate with commas, because separating them with commas is what will help the system to generate these fields for you. You enter the price, color black, size 43, the price, how many in stock. If you have discount, leave SKU empty, system will generate it automatically, and so on. Whichever one, for instance, we left color brown, size 44, we left the stock empty because we don't have it in stock. If in future you have it in stock, you can just come and edit this particular entry and increase the stock. Same as color brown, size 45, we don't have it. Color green, size 45, we don't have it, so we put it as 0. And then you go to save product, and voila, we have our product saved. So the next thing, if you notice, the image part is now open. Then we upload the images we've created. You can also use Google Gemini, like I showed you, to clean up your image. You can use it to fine-tune your image. All you need to do is just upload the images from here and give it an instruction to clean it up for your e-commerce store. Yeah, so I select images to upload images I've created. I look for them. Yeah. And make sure each image is less than 5 MB. It's best if they're in kilobytes or 1 megabyte so that they can upload fast. I upload that one in a few seconds. It uploads. I select again to upload the second one. If you have pictures of all the variants, it's important to upload them so that a customer can scroll through them. Or maybe you took the pictures in various angles. It's important to upload all of them. I select another one. I have about 3 images for this particular product. Yeah. I select the last one. I think there are 4. There are 4 images. Yes. And that's that. See our images uploaded. And then we go back to our product list. And then there we see our just uploaded product. This price here is showing you the list of all the variants. This is the least amount. This is the one with the highest amount. So the cheapest one in the variants is 45,000. The highest one is 50,000. The total number in stock is 25. That is what we are seeing here. So if we want to publish this product, all we just have to do is come here and toggle this button, this publish button, and then it publishes successfully. We also want to feature it. We want it to show up in the home page. So we also toggle this feature button and then it features. So let's go home and see if this product, yeah, here you can see our product. Now let's look at what we've just done, what it looks like. Let's assume we are a customer who sees this and then they like this men's H-strap leather slide sandals. They open it. This is what it looks like. They're able to scroll through the pictures to see the different angles and different pictures you added for them to see the product. And then they are able to read the description you put, and then they are able to see sort of price for size 44 color brown. This is the essence of that thing, of creating product variants, so that a customer can decide to just select. Let's say customer wears size 45 color black. All they just need to do is select it here, enter the quantity they need, and add to cart before they check out. It's as simple as that. Yeah, if they wear size 43 color black, they select it here, and so on. It applies. Okay, they can't add this one to cart. You can see color brown size 45, the stock is 0, so they can't add it to cart. See, the cart is grayed out. They can't add it to cart because the stock is 0. This one as well, color brown size 44, they cannot add it to cart. The cart is grayed out. Although this number is counting, but they can't add it to cart. If you increase the stock number, they will be able to add it to cart. Also color green size 45, because the stock is 0, they cannot add it to cart. So this is how you manage your products. Even when customers buy the items in stock and it goes to 0 and you restock, all you need to do is simply go back to your products. You go back to your products, you use the edit button, you find that particular item. Let's say you now have color brown size 44. All you need to do is change the stock. How many do you have in stock? You enter it. Let's say you now have 3 in stock, and then you just save it again. Simple. And if you go to the product, to your storefront, you will see that the product shows that it's now in stock, and that is how you manage your products here in your account. And of course, you have to publish it again, because when you edit, it takes it out. You have to just simply publish again and feature again. Simple. When you go to the home page, you find your product there. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to upload product with variants. Feel free to go through this video over and over until you understand how it is done. If you still feel confused, please use the ticket option, the contact admin option, or the support option on the website to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help, to support you in whichever way. Thanks for watching.